everyone, this is Tanveen. Welcome to my channel Burhan Tutorials. I am telling about fractions and different types of fractions. So here, what is the definition of fraction? So fraction means a fraction is a fraction is a numerical representation of a part of a whole of a part of a whole. So fraction definition is a fraction is a numerical representation of a part of a whole. For fraction example, for fraction you should be by 4 by 5. In the fraction, upper part 4 is called numerator, downer part 5 is called denominator. So here there are different types of fractions. Let us discuss. So there are different types of fractions. First one is proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. Fourth one is equivalent fraction. Fifth one is like fraction. And last one is unlike fraction. These are the different types of fraction. So here we'll discuss about first proper fraction. Proper fraction. Proper fraction means a fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. A fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. Proper fraction. So the definition of proper fraction Example, 2 by 3. So numerator is less than the denominator? Yes. Numerator means 2, denominator means 3. So numerator should be less than the denominator. So proper fraction definition is a fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. Example, 2 by 3 means numerator should be less than the denominator. Second types of fraction is improper fraction. Improper fraction. So, improper fraction means a fraction in which numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called a improper fraction. It's called an improper fraction. So, improper fraction definition is a fraction in which numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. So, numerator should be greater means big. So, numerator should be greater than or equal also you should be. So, example, 92 by 15. So, numerator is greater than the denominator, comma, and or equal means numerator should be equal and denominator also should be equal, means 5 by 5. So, this is called equal. 5 by 5. Numerator is equal and denominator is also equal. Third fraction is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. The mixed fraction means the mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Of a whole number and a equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means two fractions are said to be equivalent. Two fractions are said to be equivalent if they have same numerators and same denominators and same denominators respectively. When they express it in the lowest terms. When they express it in their lowest terms. Lowest terms. So equivalent fraction means two fractions are said to be equivalent. They have same numerators and same denominators respectively when they express it in their lowest terms. Example, 2 by 5 is equal to 8 by 20. Is this equivalent? Yes. Why? Because 2 by 5 is equal to 8 by 20. Cancel. For 2s are 8. For 5s are 20. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. And next fraction is equivalent fraction. Next fraction is like fraction. Like fraction. So like fraction means a fraction in which with the same denominators is called like fraction. A fraction in which with the same denominators are called like fractions. Are called like fractions. So like fraction definition is a fraction in which the same denominators are called like fractions. Example, 2 by 30 and 5 by 30 and 10 by 30. Numerators are different but denominators are same. 2 by 13, 5 by 13 and 10 by 13. These are called like fractions. So next fraction is unlike fraction. Unlike fractions. A fraction in which with the different denominators are called unlike fractions. Example, with the different denominators means 2 by 10, 5 by 20